Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and today we solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 208 implement try. So try is in simple words is nothing but a prefix tree. So to better understand the question about try, let's take a reference of a diagram which I just prepared. So let's assume this is your try or a prefix tree. Okay, in which you get all these nodes with some values in it. Okay, so let's say you got four values: two, TO2, toss, 10, and T. Okay, so now let's say this was an array which you received, and you got tasked to find out if there is uh, two as a substring uh, in any of the word we have in the array, right? So to check that, you might will have to, check all the possible combinations into the given array to find that substring, right? But in the prefix tree or in a try, it's going to be really simple. You just have to follow the nodes, right? So how does it work? We will start with the root node, okay? We will put in a value. Then let's say the other character in the word was O. Okay. Now we will check if we already had O as the children of the current root node. For example, the current root node was T, right? So we will check if O was there in any of the children node or not. If not, I will add that node into the try or a prefix tree. Okay. And if you see like these nodes are colored green, which basically represents at this point, we were able to complete one word. For example, two was one word. So yeah, we were able to complete that word till this point. Now let's say we received another word called toss. Okay. So we started from the root. We got T. Okay. Next we were expecting O in the children. Yes, we already had that. So no need to add anything. Now we will check if this O has S as a child node or not. If not, we will add that. Okay. But the word is still not finished yet. So we will add another S into it. And this color coding basically represents that word ends at this point. Okay. And in the similar fashion, we will do for T and 10 as well. Okay. So I think now you have a better idea of what exactly try are. So let's move to the solution. Let's move to the question now. Okay. So in the question, they are basically asking us to uh, complete the given class, okay, with the try functionality. So try basically will initialize a try object. Insert will basically insert the string into the try. Search will look for the complete word into it. And starts with will basically check if the prefix was there or not. Okay. So let's move toward the solution and I'll explain you what we will need to do. Okay. Okay. First things first, uh, I will create another class for all the nodes which we saw in the diagram. Okay. So let's name it node. Okay. And I need two values for it, right? So in init, we want to have two values. What were those? One was children, which will be your dictionary, where I'll just add your character in it. Okay, and another one is uh, has completed or is completed. Let's say this will basically represent if we were able to complete a word till a particular node or not. Okay, I think you can also have a array over here, but let's see, we'll compare the results or the performance. Okay. Now we have defined a parent for all the nodes which we wanted to have. Next comes the part where you want to complete the given class, given try class. So in init, what you wanted to have a root node, right? So let's say self.root is self.root will basically represent your root node, and it is getting initiated with a node. Okay. In insert, you wanted to basically traverse each character from the given word, and you wanted to add that into your try, right? So to do that, let's say your current node, you are at root now at this moment. Okay, you are at root. Just how we walked through the example or in the diagram. Now you start iterating each character from the word. Okay. Now what was the next step? We were checking if our character was in the child or in the list of children's of our current node or not. Okay. Let's say your character is not in the children. Then what you will do? You will add that. So current node dot children. You'll use the child as your key and you'll add a node into it. Okay. If it is there, you need not to perform this step and you will just simply move your current node to the children. Okay, fine. Next comes the part when you traverse the whole board, you can say at the very last your current node can be set as is complete equals to true. So basically, is completed attribute of your last current node can be set as true. So current node current node dot is completed is true now. Okay, so you have basically inserted one word into the try. Next comes the part search. So what we were doing, we will use the same logic till this point. Okay. So basically, we started with node. We are traversing each character from the word, and if your character is not in the children, you will simply just return false. Okay. But there is one more catch in it. So let me first, just move your current node to the children if it is there. But let's say uh, the term which you inserted in your try was toss, TOSS. Okay. But the term which you receive to check or to search is TO single S, right? So in that case, you cannot return a true. So at the time of return, you will return basically the is completed flag of your current node. Okay. Next is the part where we wanted to check if the prefix is there in the try or not. So I will basically, we can just simply copy this and paste. But at the very end, when we were when we were returning the is completed attribute, if we were able to complete the iteration, I can say yes, we saw the prefix in our try, and we can just simply return a true. So let's check out the test cases. Child is not defined. Sorry, where it is? It is char. Sorry, char, char, and char. Should work now. Child. My bad. Basically, I just typed in whatever I was speaking. So word was prefix. Really sorry, guys. Okay, so the test is got clear. Let's submit for further evaluation. Awesome. So the solution got accepted and we performed well. I would say like we outperformed 80% of the submitted solutions. So yeah, thanks guys for watching the video and stay tuned for the coming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.